Tired of clicking your mouse over and over again? Whether you're gaming, automating tasks, or just trying to save time, meet your new helper, Softaken Automatic Mouse Clicker version 1.0. Softaken Automatic Mouse Clicker is a free, lightweight, and professional-grade tool designed to perform repetitive mouse clicking with precision, saving your time and reducing strain. Set precise intervals between clicks down to milliseconds. Choose from hours, minutes, seconds, or even as low as 1 millisecond. Repeat options. Click infinitely until stopped, or set a specific number of clicks, from 1 up to 999,999. Click position. Click at your current cursor position or specify exact X and Y coordinates for pinpoint accuracy. Mouse button selection. Choose between left, right, or middle mouse button. Click type. Perform single or double clicks as per your need. Hotkey support. Start F6, stop F7, or toggle F8 with your keyboard. Quick and easy. Window management. Keep the app always on top using the topmost window option and view real-time status updates. Advanced features. Thread-safe operation, built-in error handling, and professional interface with status indicators. Step 1. Download and run. Just download and run the file. No installation required. It's fully portable. Step 2. Set click interval. Choose how often the clicks should happen using the hour, minute, second, and millisecond fields. Step 3. Set click repeat. Use infinite mode or enter an exact number of times to repeat the click. Step 4. Choose click position. Click at your current mouse position or enter specific screen coordinates, X, Y. Step 5. Select mouse button and click type. Pick the mouse button, left, right, or middle, and whether you want single or double clicks. Step 6. Position your mouse. If you're using the current position option, move your mouse to where you want the clicks to happen. Step 7. Start clicking. Click the start button or press F6. The app will begin auto-clicking as per your settings. Step 8. Monitor and control. To stop, press F7 or use the toggle button, F8, to start/stop clicking quickly. Watch live status and click count. Step 9. Advanced option, topmost window. Enable the topmost window option if you want this tool to stay above all other windows. And that's it. That's how you use Softaken Automatic Mouse Clicker version 1.0, a simple but powerful tool to automate your mouse clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tools and productivity tips. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.